Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. I have nothing funny to say. So we're just gonna jump right into it. This is going to be a little unbagging of a new subscription box. It's not really a box, it's like a bag. This is a little small company called MISFIT. I found out about this subscription bag through, you know, the magic way that YouTube works. I have a loyal subscriber named Emily D who advertised my name on one of her videos and therefore got this other subscriber to come over and subscribe named Shannon, who also runs a channel. So I subscribed to her, of course, and she had a video of unbagging this Rebel Misfit jewelry subscription service. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really like that. And it was like really affordable. So I went ahead and I used her little code and signed up for 3 months. I'm going to link Emily and Shannon's pages down below. So if you want to check them out, please do. This service is through Cratejoy, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard about. I have never used Cratejoy or had a service through them before, so this was a first for me. So I signed up for a 3-month subscription, so I prepaid for 3 months. I signed up at the end of July, so I ended up getting the July pack, which is awesome because the one that I saw Shannon open was the July pack, and I was like, damn, I want all of those things. She did end up sending me the July pack, and then I'm assuming I will get August and September. Then it will renew for the 3 months, which I'm hoping October is going to be pretty cool. We are just going to unbag this and see what I got. First of all, it comes in a very pretty holographic mailer, and then you pull out the actual bag itself. So there is the pack. It says Rebel Misfit, and it's got some of the dead moths on the front. Just to recap, this is like a little jewelry subscription, jewelry accessory subscription. You get like 3 to 5 pieces. It's only like $13 a month or something. So I was like, I have to try this. I love getting shit in the mail, and this stuff was like kind of right up my alley. So let me give it a shot. The first thing obviously is the card, and then on the back it does show what pieces that you are going to get. So this is the July 22 Lunar Lovers Collection. Already, can you not tell that this is like something that I totally would want? Oh, and look at that. You guys are gonna finally know my real name. It looks like if you want 15% off, you can use the code Kara15. That was nice of her. So I'll put this code in the description box below if you want to try them out. 15% saves you a couple bucks, so why not? And here's all the stuff inside. Oh, it does look like you get a little care instructions sheet just saying, you know, avoid chemicals, don't wear in water, take off at night, blah, blah, blah. So that's cute and handy. And like any good small company subscription box, you should get a piece of candy. So here's an Airheads for ya. All right, let me see here. Oh, so she sent me a little free gift, probably because I just signed up. But this is from the June 22 Summer Goth. Huh, why did I not join in June? These are the Summer Goth Moth Goodbye earrings. I'm going to open these up so you can actually see them. Oh, these are super cute. Oh my God, guys. Seriously, look at these things. They are super cute. Little moth planchettes. Oh, I love these. And they're super light for how big they are. They're like actually like really lightweight. So thank you, Rebel Misfit. That was a really nice little surprise. Into the actual July jewelry. This is the July 22 Lunar Lovers 4-piece cosmic earring set. These are so adorable. So it looks like you get 2 studs, one with a star and one with a moon, and then 2 hoops with the corresponding charms on. Yeah, I can totally dig that. Very, very cute. Next thing is the July 22 Lunar Lovers, the Lovers Tarot card ring. I am so afraid you're not going to be able to see that on camera just because of my quality in the light, but this is a little gold tarot card with 2 skulls, and it says the Lovers on the bottom. Looks like this is adjustable, so you can wear it, I guess, on any finger. Oh, I wish you could see that. It is super pretty, and it's very well done. So that was a nice little ring. I'll just keep it on for this video. Why not? Why not? The next piece is the Lovers Tarot card necklace. Again, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So this is a kind of like a coffin shaped necklace. So sorry that it's like super reflective in this light and everything, but it's a little gold tone coffin shaped pendant, and it's got like kind of like a black etched, looks like Sacred Heart and 2 birds, and it says Lovers on the bottom. Gosh, I wish I could show this to you guys. You know what? Hold on a second. There we go. That helps a little bit. Look how cute that is, guys. Very, very cute. While I'm down here, I might as well try and get a good close-up of the Lover's ring. Do you see how adorable this is? And the last item is the Lunar Lovers Celestial Sun and Moon earrings. I really like these. I like these a lot. How pretty these are. They're like a tiered dangle earring that have a sun or star in the circle, along with, you know, my favorite crescent moon. Got one over there too. These are gorgeous. What a pretty length. Oh, I love these a lot. How about that, guys? 13 bucks for all those pieces of jewelry? I mean... Okay, so let's recap. You've got the celestial dangle earrings. You've got the moon and star kind of 4-piece set. You got the Lovers tarot card reading. I got the free gift of the Goodbye Moth earrings and the Lovers tarot card necklace. So I'm very happy with that little mail package. I also saw a kind of spoiler sneak peek for the next month's bag. I think they're calling it the Outlaw. I can't remember. I'm gonna link Rebel Misfit's website below. So if you guys wanna click on and just see what their shop looks like, or if you're interested in signing up for a subscription or just a one-time bag, I think you can do all of that there. Remember to use my code to save yourself some money. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping and subscription antics, that would be even awesomer. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.